Model 2015 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO 1.6 dCi long wheelbase, Sport MOT'D needs turbo. Body black, panel van. Mileage 182,130. MOT the 26th of March 2024. Engine 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. This is a bi-turbo and the smaller of the two turbos need replacing. Still starts and drives brilliant mate but is burning a little oil. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, sat-nav.